Hey everyone, how's it going? This is Alex from MarkUp. Wanted to run through a quick tutorial about creating a project and then actually using comment versus browse inside of a MarkUp project. For the purpose of this one, I'm just going to show URL project. If you want to create a project using images, you simply upload images over here, and I'll run through that in a separate video. These are all the projects that I've created so far. And let's say I wanted to just type in slack.com. That's going to pull up a specific thumbnail over here for that project. If I want to go into a project, I simply click anywhere on this thumbnail, and I can also rename the project down here. I've already loaded up one, but if I did click into this, it would pull me into this view inside of MarkUp. So this is the slack.com site inside of MarkUp. There's two different modes. There's comment versus browse mode. Comment is intuitive. It allows you just to place a comment anywhere on the page. So let's change this to XYZ. And when you do that, that comment's going to populate over here on the left-hand side. Let's say I wanted to go to a different part of this slack.com site. That's where browse comes into play. So I have comment versus browse. And if I click browse, that allows me to go to a different part of this site while staying inside the MarkUp project. A quick shortcut here is if you toggle between 1 and 2 on your keyboard, that will allow you to go back and forth between comment and browse. Again, that's toggling 1 and 2 on your keyboard. So if I click the 2 and I go to browse mode, and let's say I wanted to go to learn more here, what that's going to do is it's going to keep me inside of the MarkUp project, but just jump me to a different page. Now, if I want to go back into comment mode here, and let's say I wanted to, let's do this. Click, change text, enter. That comment is going to populate over here on the left-hand side, and it will be designated by the specific URL slug, the specific page that that comment pertains to. Last thing here, let's say I wanted to just jump back to comment 1 without having to go back in the browse mode and then clicking the specific page on the site. All I need to do is just click the 1 here, and it's going to take me back to that spot on the page that comment pertains to. If it happens to be further down the page, it will scroll to it. But here, this is at the top of the page, so it took me right there. So that is, again, comment versus browse inside of a project. Hope that's helpful for you.